Hey guys, how are you? It's Miss Shelby and Miss Sandy.
Hi, we miss you. We love you.
We love you guys so much. Welcome to the girls' room. I am so grateful that you are here to hang out with us and just talk girl stuff and be here with us. If you guys remember last week, a recap, we talked about the difference between fear and love and how our hearts can sometimes get filled up with fear and how God tells us that love drives out fear. And so when we fill up our hearts with fear, instead of doing that, we should empty out the fear and fill it up with love. So some things that we love. I know that I love my family. I love hanging out with my friends. I love reading. Sandy, what's something you love?
I love all my babies at the Dream Center. I love reading.
That's it. We love
Really relaxing.
Yeah, and I know you guys had things that you love that were so special that we put in the jar together. And so just know that we remember that, guys. The week prior, we talked about confidence and the importance of having confidence, and that God gave us these gifts to use that confidence and be just sure of yourself. And I know that some of you girls sang for us. Some of you girls are confident in dancing, your artistic ability. So just continue to lean into that and trust that. Week number 1, we talked about worthiness, how you are always worthy. You and God decide your worth. Jesus made you worthy, and nothing can ever change that. This week on the girls' room, we are talking about how it's so important to continue to love others, give back, be kind and gentle in this season. I know sometimes we're in a season where we're overwhelmed and it feels like we're so focused on ourselves, we're hanging out with ourselves, we're not with our friends. And so we're going to come up with some different ways that we can show the people around us love, because everyone wants to feel valued, everyone wants to feel important, and everyone is worthy and deserving of that. And so we're going to probably do a few little different projects that you guys can do, and like a thank you card, like maybe writing a thank you card to your mom for spending so much time with you right now, or maybe writing her a song that you can perform, or a piece of poetry. And so we're going to be talking about that tomorrow. Just be prepared for or we did talk about that because it's going to be fun. So we are talking about that this week, and we're just so excited to be with you girls. We can't wait for next week, and just be waiting. I'll announce tomorrow what we're going to be talking about next week. And so just so excited to see you. Thank you for always joining us in the girls' room. We love you. We always miss you, and we're always grateful for you.